bell pepper and red bell pepper.
Well,
I got real in there. Yes, it's well. You know, it's a combination of red and whatever. I don't know.
Red and bell.
Red and bell. Got it.
I love watching cookie decorating shows, and I often wondered, could I do that? Well, after baking and tweaking the recipe, I finally have a cookie batter that no matter how funny, fabulous, or failed my decorating is, it tastes fantastic. So I hope my funnies and fails show that you too can be fabulous.
Let's make the colors for my first cookie fantastic or cookie fail. I don't know which one this is going to be. I'm going to try out. What I want to do is I want to try out different cookie cutters that I've seen on Pinterest and YouTube videos, and then decorate them the different ways that I see it. I'm just starting out on cookie baking and decorating. This is my first year doing it, so yeah, it looks cool and something that I want to try and work on. This is the cookie that I'm using. As you can tell, it looks like the ice cream cone and ice cream cookie, but I'm going to turn it on its side and try decorating something else. And you're here for the very first episode of Fabulous or Fail. We'll see what happens. Alright, so for what I'm going to make, I need three main colors. I need black, I need white, and I need a little, very little bit of red. Alright, so I'm not really sure how much of this black to use. Wish. They're thin, but they're thin enough so that I can tie a knot in my bag, set it off to the side so I can get my next color worked up. Definitely love these, especially for small things. I'm going to try the other ones out as well, but not right this minute. Let's go ahead and get my next color ready. Alright. Got my three colors. Let's go ahead and start on the cookie. Here's my cookie. And here's my pattern.
Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth.
Remember, repetition is of the greatest importance.
Now I just need to get it all traced out with my icing.
Bye.